think your day is going to go one way, and then you wake up to weather like this. Gotta go for a photo walk, haven't you? You just have to. I've been here a lot to test random products, like the smooth Q. Oh, train! Totally gonna miss it. Can't see it in the mist anyway. Yeah, I've been here a lot for different products. It's quite local to me. But whenever the weather changes, it just changes everything. I'm hoping I can get it snowy as well. I've got it frosty, got it sunny, now I've got it misty. We're getting there. One thing that is not working well today is the contrast autofocus. There's not a lot of contrast. Well, this is all a little bit spooky. Have a look at this. Look at the reflection there. I hope this comes out. There are swans. I want a misty photo of the swans, but I don't want my dogs to scare them, or vice versa. Swans can be a bit tricky. I've never really shot a lot with mist. In fact, on the back of my camera these photos look awful. So I hope I can pull it back. And if I can, I shall give you some tips on what to photograph and how to photograph in misty conditions. Ooh. Spoiler, I imagine I'll use a lot of dehaze. How to make my dog very happy. Yeah! There's not a lot of colour out when it's misty and winter, so it's always a really good idea if you find something with bright colours like a leaf or a berry or a person wearing a high-vis jacket. Take a photo, make it stand out, add something interesting into the shot. I hit the nail on the head with the dehaze. This was the image from camera, all I've done is straighten it. And the dehaze cuts through a lot of the mist. You don't want to do it too much, obviously, because what's the point in shooting in the mist if you want to eradicate all of it? But just boosting a little bit of clarity, contrast, and dehaze makes the mist more manageable, but still makes it nice and clear. In terms of the colour palette I wanted to go for with this, I just wanted to take basically everything out except the reds and the oranges and the yellows. And I really wanted to really emphasise these sort of autumny colours. Maybe it's a little bit not true to life, but I quite like it. And another tip is if you do have any strong colours, if you up the luminance of them, like you do with the orange here, you can completely change the look, and if you up the luminance, it will sort of cut through the mix a little bit better. And I'm going to curl off the whites at the top, just so nothing completely goes white. And maybe just the tiniest little tone curve at the bottom, just to add a little bit of atmosphere back in. So you have mist, no mist, mist, no mist. And just finding that sweet spot, which I think might be there. Before and after. Done. My shoes are definitely not waterproof. Not even slightly waterproof. Very, very not waterproof.